As far as me concerned, strength always win.
That's in your mind, Esperanza. It's not always physical strength that makes you win.
Militants and power. That's what this shit country needs.
That is the problem with you, Tony. We're not just dealing with this little rock. There's a whole world out there that we have to deal with. You need to understand that.
So, hold on, slowly. Say that again. Okay, let me get this clear. Stop me when I go wrong. I am supposed to return the container that I allegedly have no authority to confiscate. I have it right so far? Okay. And who tell you this? The minister. Minister may have made a career decision. But don't rock the boat. It's not a problem. When say they want it? When? Them said in the trailer head or me must use my can me use my trailer head, it now come out of my budget. Okay. Tell them, yeah man, it will be done. Trust me, it will be done. Alright.
Anyway, the container is on its way to your friend them. Safe and sound. Since you're so close to Fist, I want you to do something for me.
I'm gonna lift my hats off to you for fixing the problem. But do you realize that you are out of favors with me and the Fist?
Adrian, we send off a container with state-of-the-art weapons to the one them when me misplace. I link Miranda about it, she said me follow it. But me I link you. Talk to them people for me. Cause me I go want them back.
Esperanza, I don't think you get it yet, or you understand that there's a certain code by which these people operate by. The principle behind what they do is not about money. And I've been trying to articulate that to you and to get you to understand. But for some reason, you are insisting on going it the way you think is best. I am going to suggest to you that you leave that shipment alone. Leave those guns. Let them keep them. You are this close to being on a hit list. Two things saved your ass. The fact that Miranda is your cousin, and this playboy who's sitting here who wants to enjoy life and keep the peace. My friend, you need to learn something from my book.
Adrian, get where you say still, you know. But we are keep people rich, and all we get is crumbs. A different time we live in now. I mean, how can we be decent men when we live in an indecent time? As slavery days, you take me back to, you know.
My friend, have a seat. If I were to ask you what you think your net worth is, what figure would you give?
Mr. Esperanza. Watch me, I know. Hello? Yeah. Do me a favor. You remember that article I asked you to pick up from the wharf? I'm going to send you some instructions. Come.
Good afternoon, Mr. M.
Yes, sir. To what do I owe this pleasure?
Can't say pleasure, but I'm having a serious issue.
Somebody misplaced one of your bodies? I'm sorry, that was inappropriate. Forgive me. What seems to be the problem?
You've asked me to do a lot of stuff, right? I can't work without equipment. You asked me for a list of the things that I needed. You've given me about five equipments. You can't ask me to do so many things and you're not giving me the stuff. I can't bring them to my office. You don't want me to tell anybody about it. So give me the stuff I need.
Give me a second. Hello? No, it's not a good morning. I gave you a list of equipment that I needed delivered. Hold on, let me get something straight. How many you say you get?
5.
5. Out of a list of about 15, 20, you deliver 5. Listen, Mr. I need them yesterday. I don't care if you have to tear down the whole Ministry of Health. I don't care how you do it. I need them like yesterday. Let me put it to you this way. See the same way you need a job? I need my equipment. I don't get my equipment, you don't have a job. I'm sorry, Doc. How can I help you now?
That's one problem solved. But do you remember the body that you asked me to sort out for you?
The one that I suspect has to do with poisoning?
Yes, Mr. M.
Yes, I remember. What exactly is the problem?
So because of the lack of equipment, I had to bring back a sample to my facility. So that's the problem.
So what is the problem?
It wasn't an air embolism. It was actually poison.
Just as I thought. And that's why they didn't want us to deal with it. Well, problem solved.
About 450 million. Chum change.
You don't think that this is something that gives you or could give you a decent living?